actual squishy here. Today we got a big package, but it's not toys. Because we already opened toys last night. And I may have some holes in here now. Okay, so first we're going to open it from my side. This side.
This is heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
Package.
So, where's the package from?
Oh.
It's from Temu.
Oh.
Temu stock?
What's that?
It's like a little container storage thing.
Nice. Okay.
And then we got white and everything. We
Take a turn. That's Chico's, I think.
What is this?
That's for Chico to put all his pencils and everything.
How about me?
You got this one here?
Ooh, I got a flower one. It's so cute.
Yeah.
Look inside of it, guys.
I got the
There's cute
lunchbox.
little animals in here. And let's see.
That's all, darling. I just ordered lunchbox for Chico.
Can I go get my squishy dumpling?
Yeah, okay. Why dumpling? Why squishy dumpling? Oh, you want to show?
Yeah.
Okay, go bring it. Have a look, Chico. How's your lunchbox?
And you go open your pencil holder.
It's so cool, baby. Whoa. It's awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah. Ooh, that's the sky.
Yeah.
Ooh, man. This is so cool. Wow, where's the glowing one? Mom,
Yeah.
this is glowing dragon.
Glowing dragon?
Yeah.
Oh, I know where you kept it. Where you left it.
Okay, guys, I got my squishy dumpling. It's not a secret, though. I don't know if they're secrets, but this is not a secret. They all come with glitter inside of them. And first, let me open this.
Okay.
So, and I think there's something on the bottom of it. Oh, I know, this was just paper.
Oh,
They're
that's stickers.
stickers.
That's so cute.
They're so cute, guys. Look at them. I'm going to decorate mine so badly. It's so cute. I thought it was going to be fluffy.
Oh.
I can spin around.
That's fancy.
I go high tech. So
Very
time to
high-tech.
decorate these with the cute stickers I got.
Uh-huh.
So first I'm going to add like some...
Can you help your brother as well? He's struggling a bit.
Oh my
eh?
goodness. Okay, I'll open
Let
it.
sister help
I'll open
Bobby.
the pencil one.
No, Daddy, I don't do that.
You don't need help?
This is... He got
Nice.
no stickers on his one.
That's okay.
Okay.
You can share some stickers with him, can
I think.
you?
I'm
Please.
having some stickers off by the way.
Yeah. We have to be kind to each other.
I might want to.
That's Chico's.
I'm gonna put this on the outside.
Chico, open your lunchbox. See how's that inside.
So there's nothing inside of my flower right now. But I can. I can put some in my Polly Pocket in there.
I know another thing.
Huh?
Another thing. Now you can
Yeah, so that one you can take some pasta.
I'm gonna
Yeah?
Add some flowers on
You
there.
can
Or can you stop screaming?
No, but he's excited to show you
Yeah, but
to you,
he's
Shahida.
annoying.
Don't be like that. He's your brother.
Cool.
Mom,
Yes,
what
darling.
is this for?
Which one?
This.
That is a divider, I think. Let me
What's
check.
a divider? Oh yeah, it divides like the long piece,
Mm.
so I can have another food. But we're not gonna be using that. It's for lunch.
Yeah, so we'll use it for lunch from Monday. Okay, darling? Because your lunch box is
little.
very small.
Yeah.
So we can...
Mine was humongous.
Yeah.
Mine's big.
Yeah, so now you can take pasta in that one. And you can tell Mr. Glenn to open it for you. Can Mr. Glenn open it for you?
I can do it.
Can Shahida, does teachers help you guys in school?
Yep.
How about yours one? Teacher help you?
Yeah, I asked Miss Gable for it.
So she opens it for you? Okay. Okay. I have a look, brother. If not, then when I pack lunch, then Mr. Glenn can help you to open, okay? Don't have to worry.
And it's not glam.
Then what is it?
Mom,
Oh, Glenn, Mr. Glenn. Okay?
It's so cute, Mom. Look. Mom, look, a 360.
Look at mine.
So
Look
cute.
at mine. Yeah, I can hold it right there, this spot. Mom, I
Where'd
will
she go
open
now?
this.
Well, I'll help you. I'll help you.
Ooh, I should shoot the rainbows like so good.
Yeah, what's on mine?
Okay, let me just do my stickers.
Give me. I try to help you. Oh, this is good. Here, look. So this will keep your food warm, Chico.
My
Here.
name is not Chicken.
I'm telling
Look at
you.
pasta.
Do you like your lunchbox? I'll have a look. Let's see, baby. Okay, I'll have a look. That's really good.
Wow, these stickers are so cute for mine.
Is there anything else?
And
really
here,
like
that's all. What else you need? So this is your lunchbox, Chico. Yeah, nice.
My favorite animal from here.
Oh, this is the good one. Bento box.
Oh.
That's naughty, Chico. You can't do that. Freezer.
Chico, there's nothing in there.
Hey.
Look. Do you see anything? Look, nothing.
I see a flag.
I'm gonna steal the frog. Ah! Are you recording that?
Is it a
No,
flag?
I'm recording you.
Yeah, flag.
Okay.
Ceiling rights.
Okay, time
It's a flag.
How does it look, Shahida?
What?
Your thingy. Yep.
What, Chico?
Babes, Chico, stop it, darling.
Come on,